Circular fashion communities and digital platforms. Circular fashion is about individual actions and the systems that support them. Digital tools and community ecosystems can scale circular fashion practices, make them more visible and accessible, and help move from isolated actions to more consistent circular behavior. Circularity in textiles requires active consumer participation. It is about what and how companies produce, but also about what users do next. Through local groups, online platforms, or events, people exchange knowledge, share experiences, learn new practices, and motivate each other. Digital platforms can connect different actors, services, and information, and act as governance and coordination tools. They make circular options easier to find and use, and support circular flows across the product lifecycle: longer use, better care, responsible disposal, end-of-life recycling. Circular fashion can be supported by resale and rental platforms, peer-to-peer exchange tools, digital product information systems, traceability and authentication tools, gamified tools, and apps that support wardrobe management. These tools motivate consumers to make more informed and sustainable choices. Digital platforms allow circular practices to scale beyond local initiatives. What was once limited to small communities can now reach large numbers of users. Combining digital tools with local activities, such as events or workshops, can strengthen engagement and make circular practices more tangible. With digital platforms, companies can access new customer segments, create additional revenue streams, improve supply chain resilience, strengthen customer relationships and reputation, and support regulatory compliance. Joining existing platforms is often more practical than developing new systems. Digitally supported take-back campaigns, QR codes to share care or repair advice, or local community building are also viable options. Digital platforms also present challenges: fragmented supply chains, limited recycling infrastructure, and financial barriers. Logistics, packaging, and transport can increase environmental impact. There is also a behavioral risk. Platforms can encourage more frequent consumption. Digital solutions need to be carefully designed to truly support circular outcomes. Successful engagement depends on several factors: ease of use and convenience, clear value for users, trust and transparency, access to reliable information, and connection with real-life experiences. When these elements are present, consumers are more likely to adopt circular practices. For real change, digital platforms should go beyond awareness and make sustainable choices practical and accessible. This means prioritizing repair, reuse, and reducing consumption, not only recycling. Circular fashion platforms demonstrate how digital tools can support reuse and extend product life. It is important to critically assess their real impact. While many aim to support sustainability, they may contribute to overconsumption or increased environmental footprint. Digital tools often support local or national community-based initiatives. Platforms can be used for event organization, knowledge sharing, and connecting users. Their real impact depends on how they are designed and used. A balanced approach is needed to ensure long-term sustainable behavior. Each initiative should be evaluated holistically, considering its intention and how it operates across environmental, social, and economic dimensions.